Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Monster Techno once again. And someone asked me to make a video about Facebook authentication and also getting the data from Facebook like name, email and user image. So I already make a video about Facebook authentication. You guys can read it in my blog, and but I don't share that how we can get the data from Facebook profile. So this video is specially for that thing, and also we are going to show some fields like user login using email, the traditional way email and password, and how we can handle that. So guys, let's get started with this tutorial. So first of all, create an empty activity with this thing, and we are just going to name it as Facebook authentication. Okay, that's perfect. And click on finish. So it will take some time to build up the project. Okay, the project is ready, and actually we don't follow the UI things. Like, okay, we don't focus on UI, just focus on the functionality about how we can catch the thing. So but we need a UI. So let's build some UI first. Let's build it. Okay, the screen is quite small. Okay, that can be my linear layout. In the linear layout, okay, the orientation should be, why it's so slow? Okay, vertical. For the traditional way, okay, we need gravity as center, and also we need edit text, which can be match parent by wrap. Oh no, it can be wrap content. Okay. Okay, this button can, or this button is for Facebook authentication. Facebook. Okay, for your reference, I'm just setting the background as Facebook color. Okay. It's not a Facebook color. Facebook color might be that is the Facebook color. I hope so, but I don't think that is a Facebook color. Okay, no need for that. Okay, text color is going to be white. Need some padding for 5 dp. Okay, our UI is quite look like that. I don't think that is good UI, but it can work. So in our main activity, let's call these things using ID. And we have two buttons. One is for login button and another one is for Facebook button. On so when we click on the login button, we will check that for the string email text equal dot get text dot to string, and also need password text. For that, password dot get text to string, and here we are just testing that if text utils Okay, so that can be our login thing, and also we need to call while we are using Facebook. So for the Facebook button, click listener, new click listener, and under that we are just login user Facebook, and that's it. We have two methods ready, but we need Firebase for that, for the backend purpose, like storing the user data and etc. So let's open our Firebase. This is my private Firebase. That can be good, I think. Whoa, my internet is quite slow, I think. Why? Okay. So go to console, Okay, I already have a project here at Firebase Firestore. I'm just using this for my purpose as I cannot add more application to the Firebase project. So here add app, select Android. The package name is, this is our package name. Copy it and paste it here. Name it as Facebook Authentication and the SHA1 key. For that, go to Gradle. Here you can go to App, Task, and here Android, and just double click on this, and it will give you the SHA1 key. Here it is. Paste it here and register the app. I know that you guys already know how to use the Firebase, so download this, but I'm just showing that thing as so many people coming for the first time and they just want to know how all the things are done. So I'm copying it and go to here and in the app folder. Okay. I'm just missing something. Okay, so our project is here. Google JSON, Google Service JSON is already downloaded. So minimize that. And here from the Android structure, go to project structure and expand all things. And in the app folder, here is the app folder. You just need to paste your JSON file. Okay, in the app folder. Okay. Oh, okay, it's here. But the thing is, this is the not right way to uh, type. Like the name is not right, so just rename it. Okay, reflect Kannada. Okay, you just go to reflect and go to rename and renaming it. Okay, our thing is done. Now click on next and copy this class path. Go to project level build file. Here is the one build file, here is the second build file. This is the first, is the root folder of the project build file. Okay, you need to paste it here, and here you can see that plugin, you need to apply that, otherwise the JSON is not working, and you need to paste it under the app structure Gradle file. If you guys think that it is complex, you can ask me in the comment section. And also one thing, that I cannot make more videos in a regular basis as I am self-employed and I'm working for a software company, so I cannot get much time to make videos for you guys, but I will try to make videos for you as when I get time, and you guys can request me videos. I will make that, as I cannot find the topics, that's why I don't make that. So if you guys have topics, ask me in the comment section or contact me personally, and you guys know that how frequently I accept your requests in my personal WhatsApp and Facebook, so you guys can contact me anytime, anywhere. Okay, too much talk, our thing is ready. So we need to add two things, I think four things. Yep, four dependencies we need. Okay, we need four dependencies. In your app label build file, you can find that dependencies are there, and here we need to paste these things. The first thing is for Google Play Service Authentication. Actually, we don't need that. This is for the Google authentication, but we don't cover that in this video. And the Facebook authentication, this is the Facebook authentication service, and we can change it to the original version. And this is the Firebase Firestore, where we can store user data like name, image, and email IDs, etc. So also change it to the latest version. And this is the Firebase Auth. This actually do the main thing, like authenticating the user. also it has a new version. So after that, just sync the project and you get the dependencies. Fine. So let's wait for the build can be completed, like it can download some data, some files, some configurations, etc. So let's pause this video for without wasting your time. Okay, once our thing is ready, we are just going to do the first thing, add the on start, and here we just check that if user is already logged in or not. If logged in, we can send the user to the main actual working purpose page without holding them to the login page. So let's find out that using this thing, Firebase user, okay, user equal to Firebase auth dot get instance dot get current user. It will give you the user if the user is logged in, otherwise it can give you the null thing. So we just can check that if user not equal to null. If the user not equals to null, then it means that the user is logged in. So we send them to the main working page. And we finish this page as don't need that. And if the user not logged in, then Firebase user have data, so it cannot go to any page, it still remains in the login page. So let's create another page like user profile. You can be bigger. In our Java folder, new activity, and here it is going to be empty activity. Okay, our activity is ready. Okay, now we are going to log in the user. So first we are just using this traditional way, using the email and password. For that we need one variable called Firebase Auth in Auth, and another one is Firebase Firestore, and also we need to init them. Okay, now here we already get the email and passwords, so just we can do login. So Firebase, sorry, auth dot login. So what can be done here is, okay, here we are just going to create the user, but as we are just creating one UI for login and creating the user, so we need to check that if the user already created or not. For that we need to check. Okay, for that we need to check that the user is already registered in our server or not. So for that we can do like fetch sign in methods for email, and here we need to pass email text, and then okay, then click add. Okay, add complete listener. Okay, and here in the task we need to check that, oh sorry, if task dot get result dot get sign in methods dot is empty. If the user is not logged in, have ever registered or don't register their email ID in our server, then this thing can be blank. Okay, so that's when the user is not logged in. So we can then create the user account here, and otherwise if user is already logged in, then we can log in the user. Here we just going to create user, and here we are logging user. Both are simple. So first of all, create the user. For that, auth dot create user with email and password, and here we just passed email text and password text, and then click add on complete listener, and that's it. And here we check that if task is successful, then we will send store user data, and if anything goes wrong, then we show a toast like that. Okay, so I think that the text are cutting from the screen. So if you guys need the code, I will show you. I will give you the link of my GitHub page in the description, so you can get the code from there. Okay. Sorry for my bad English. Okay, I really sorry for that. Okay, here we done that, and to log in the user, we need that like pass email text and password text. And once the task is done, like all things are okay, check user data here. I will show you what is going to be done here. And also, if anything goes wrong, we show a toast. Okay, all thing done. Right now we are just going to test this thing using toast user. Okay, don't like that. You just send the user to the user page. Okay, so start activity, new intent, and login. Oh, sorry, this is the main activity. Let's forget that. This to user profile dot class, and we finish this page. Same thing is goes for this. Okay, now let's run this application and let's see how it's look like. Okay, let's run this application. It will take some time for building. Okay, so as you can see that our login page is showing here. So if we click on login, it will show that enter all values. Let's enter some things, password. Okay, I think I could not remember that. What's that? Okay, 12345 is my password, and click on login. So we don't have any progress dialog. Oh, it will show that a hero. Okay, when you click on that, it shows us the given sign-in provided is disabled. That's mean we need to go to our Firebase project, click on authentication, click on sign-in methods, and here email and password, just enable it and click on save. Okay, now let's try again. Click on login. There is no user record. That's mean it's go to the else part to login. That's mean we just do like that and click on run again. So give the email ID here and password as 123456 and click on login. So it will log into us like that. As the user is not created, so it creates the user and login. So that's it. Our authentication part is done, and in the next part we will do like storing the user data to the Firebase for this traditional way, like storing the user email and IDs and etc. So for that, right now we are just signing out, and in the next part we will learn other things. Thanks.